Most people think flying cars are still 20 years away, buried in PowerPoint decks and Silicon Valley fantasy. Wrong. Right now, in 2026, you can pull out your credit card and order a personal aircraft that lands in your backyard, fits in your garage, or folds down smaller than your refrigerator. Starting with number 12, RICTOR X4 Air Mobility Pod. Now, we all know, if you're watching this, you're probably not a Kardashian or a Jenner with a private hangar sitting next to the tennis court. Most of us don't have acres of land, a runway, or even a driveway wide enough for a golf cart. But RICTOR decided that shouldn't stop you. The X4 folds down to just 1.2 cubic meters, about the size of a washing machine. You store it in a basement, a closet, or the corner of a parking garage, roll it out when you're ready, unfold it, and take off. It was one of the standout reveals at CES 2026, and it's aimed at exactly the kind of person who always wanted personal flight, but assumed the whole industry was designed for people with too much money and too much land. Number 11, RYSE RECON. Most personal aircraft are designed for people who already have a helipad or a wide open field. The Recon was designed for people who have land, farmers, ranch owners, anyone managing hundreds of acres who needs to cover ground fast without roads. This open cockpit multicopter has 6 independent propulsion systems and was built to handle terrain that would ground most other aircraft, including water. It has floats. The footage of it taking off from a lake is genuinely cinematic. It's the ATV of the sky, rugged, practical, and built for people who actually work outdoors rather than commute through them. Number 10, Samson Sky Switchblade. Here's a fun question. What happens when a fighter jet and a motorcycle have a baby? The Samson Sky Switchblade happens. This 3-wheeled road vehicle has swing wings that extend and allow it to hit 200 miles per hour in the air. On the road, it moves like a sports bike. In the sky, it moves like a light aircraft. What makes it especially clever is that it's sold as a kit, which lets it sidestep certain FAA manufacturing delays that have trapped other companies for years. It looks borderline military, and that's not an accident. It was designed to turn heads on both the road and the runway. Number 9, Lift Aircraft HEXA. Elon once said he wanted to put anyone in a rocket. Well, someone took that energy, scaled it down, and made it actually happen. What Lift did with the HEXA was strip piloting down to its absolute minimum. 18 motors, a circular halo frame, and a control system that runs off a single 3-axis joystick. That's it. It looks exactly like what it is, a giant drone with a seat in the middle. Lift originally ran flight centers where people could pay to experience it, but private deliveries are now happening. The amphibious design lets it land on water, which makes it surprisingly useful for anyone near a lake or coastline. If you've ever watched drone footage and thought you'd rather be inside it, someone built that. Number 8, Alef Aeronautics Model A. Here's the thing about flying cars. Most of them don't actually look like cars. They look like aircraft with wheels slapped on. The Alef Model A is different. On the road, it reads as a normal sedan. But when it's time to fly, the entire frame rotates 90 degrees, and the mesh body becomes the wing. The cabin pivots mid-air. It's one of the most genuinely bizarre flight mechanisms ever put into a production vehicle. And it works. It already holds an FAA Special Airworthiness Certificate, which is the real signal that this isn't vaporware. The pivoting footage alone is one of the most viral-ready clips in the personal aviation space right now. Number 7, AEROHT JetBike. Every personal aircraft on this list has exposed propellers spinning fast enough to do serious damage, except this one. The AEROHT JetBike runs entirely on ducted electric fans, meaning the propulsion is sealed inside the frame. You could walk right up to it mid-hover and be completely fine. The riding position is like a motorcycle, and the whole design looks less like aviation and more like something pulled out of a sci-fi armory. The enclosed fans aren't just a safety call. They completely change what a personal aircraft can feel like to be around. Fewer machines, more vehicles. Number 6, AR-1. Every other aircraft on this list is honest about what it is: a flying machine with wheels, or a drone you sit in. This one decided to be a sports car that also happens to fly. 2 seats, folding wings, a glass canopy that flips open like a supercar reveal, and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The AEROHT was built specifically for ownership, not a subscription, not a fleet service. And the moment that actually sells it is watching those wings fold flat and the whole thing roll into a standard garage. Personal aviation has never looked this at home before, and that gap in the market was obvious once someone actually filled it. Number 5. Klein Vision AirCar. Most flying cars want to be aircraft first, cars second. The AirCar refuses to choose. It uses a BMW engine. You can drive it to a gas station and fill it up like any other car. It's road legal. And then, in under 3 minutes, with the push of a button, wings and a tail physically extend from the body, and it becomes a fixed-wing airplane. Not a VTOL. An actual airplane with a proper takeoff run. The AirCar has already completed an intercity flight between 2 airports in Slovakia. It's certified, and it exists, and not just in papers. The transformation sequence is something that has to be seen to be believed. Number 4. Pivotal Helix. The original Blackfly design was already wild. 8 rotors on a tilt aircraft frame that takes off vertically and then tilts its entire body forward to fly like a fixed-wing plane. No wheels. It lands on its belly. The 2026 Helix generation layers on radar-guided Autoland, a 270-degree panoramic canopy, and a return-to-home autonomy system with a ballistic parachute as a last resort safety net. What's quietly remarkable is how quiet it actually is. The footage shows it taking off effortlessly. Tesla built the car for people who didn't think they liked cars. Pivotal is doing the same thing for aircraft. Number 3. XPENG. AEROHT land. Aircraft carrier. Forget the aircraft for a second. The vehicle it lives inside is the real story. XPENG system is a 6x6 electric van that hauls a detachable 2-person eVTOL in its rear bay and charges it while driving. When you're ready to fly, the aircraft slides out the back mechanically, unfolds, and lifts off. The van becomes a mobile ground station. It's not a flying car, it's a mothership. The concept sounds conceptual until you watch the 2026 deployment footage. The whole mechanical sequence is seamless, almost unsettlingly smooth. This is range anxiety for aviation, solved by a truck. Number 2. Jetson ONE. Watch the official Jetson ONE footage once, and you'll understand why it ended up this high on the list. There's a clip of it weaving through a dense forest at speed, banking between trees. It looks like something from a science fiction film, except the pilot is a real person, and the aircraft is available for order. Built from aluminum and carbon fiber with 8 motors and a virtual floor sensor that prevents you from driving it into the ground, it's more capable than it looks. And because it qualifies as an ultralight under FAA Part 103, no pilot's license is required to fly one. That single legal classification opens personal aviation to more people than anything else on this list. Number 1. Cirrus Vision Jet G3 SF50. Do you ever imagine just disappearing for a weekend? No crowds, no check-in lines, no one reclining into your lap. Just you, your people, and the sky. The Cirrus G3 makes that a reality. It carries 6 people, crosses 1,200 nautical miles, and cruises at 300 knots. But here's the part that stopped the entire aviation world when Cirrus announced it. There's a button called Safe Return. If the pilot goes unconscious mid-flight, all a passenger has to do is press it. The jet takes over completely, finds the nearest airport, negotiates with air traffic control, and lands itself. Flying privately just got a whole lot less scary. It was unveiled in February 2026, holds the title of world's best-selling personal jet 7 years running, and costs around $3 million. This is what owning the sky safely actually looks like.